So yeah, yesterday was about, I want to say about 104 degrees. Today is about 99 degrees, and then like what I noticed was after work, because I see the sun come up, basically, what I'm saying, it rises, and then I seen a lot of chemtrails all over the place. Now, what I want to point out is this: the reason why they're spraying chemtrails is because look at this. It's not even no clouds in the sky. They have to spray to calm it down. Like there you go, a big old trail there. They've been spraying since this morning, going hard. But you gotta ask yourself, why are they doing this? And I could tell you this right now, there's a lot of solar flares, it's upgrading people's genetics, and not only that, we got a lot of people dying due to these solar flares. So just a quick little video, man. Look at the sun. It's bright. It's about like 11 o'clock in the morning. I get off at 10. And like, yeah, the chemtrails are going away, but it's kind of hazy as you can see. And I'm like, why are they spraying? You know what I'm saying? And I thought the rainbow is because of the chemtrails, but come to find out, and it's all the way around the sun. Like, y'all know what time it is, man. When y'all see shit like this, you know what I'm saying? I might make a part 2 of this video. I'm gonna go research a little bit of what this would actually mean. But you see chemtrails all through the trees. It's all hazy. Like, they've been putting up, it's like gas, bro. Look at that. Ain't no real clouds. Ain't no water in the sky. Like I said, it was 104 degrees yesterday, 100 degrees or 99 degrees today. And you can just check Fresno weather, man. I'm located in Fresno, California right now. We got the rainbow over the sun. Now, there's a spiritual meaning to that. But anyways, I hope y'all taking care of yourself. Peace, love, happiness, and good vibrations, y'all. Yo, I find this extremely crazy. I just ended my video and I went to go watch it just because when you record in the daytime and you step inside the house, you can see a lot more on your phone because it's really bright outside. Like I said, we have a flare that's taking place right now. I didn't even, do no research or anything. I'm just guessing because that's why they spray, is because of the flares. So I go on YouTube to go upload a video on my second channel, which is, Timo Got Knowledge. Obviously, I have a music channel, and I'm about to go upload, and literally, you see this? That's the first thing it says, and it says 41 minutes ago. This is World News Report. His name is James Kaufman, and I'm gonna end it right here so y'all can see this 5-minute video. He's talking about there was an earthquake that strike plus a solar storm, and it hits Earth May 27th, which is today. And he's talking about a lot of plasma energy raining down for like hours. Now, I just told y'all, man, just spiritual downloads, man. I already know what's taking place like naturally. I don't need to really do my research. But this guy, he talks about the world, like when we had the volcanoes erupt in Tonga, which we know it was probably a bomb, and then yeah, he just keeps track of like solar flares, and this is something that I feel like we all should keep track of. But you see, I'm not gonna steal anybody's content or anything like that. Like, I know brother Cali, he actually does the UV readings, and I'm not trying to be, I don't want to be like dick riding or nothing like that. So I tend to watch other people's videos, and this guy's, he uploads maybe, I want to say like every 3 hours, 4 hours, and it's not like 10 uploads a day. It's more like probably like 2, 3, whenever it's necessary. If we get C flares, X flares, whatever, he pulls up everything. So I'm gonna just play this little video, and I'm gonna give him a like too. Y'all go ahead and follow him if y'all want accurate news about these solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and everything. But watch this real quick.
James Kaufman, World News Report today. Today is May 27th, 2022, noon central here in the U.S. God bless you and yours no matter where you are in the world, folks. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell for critical future updates. Well, anyone that has just watched our latest production knows that we're under a heavy solar storm, including plasma density up to 45 centimeters cubed, and solar winds are now ramping up from the coronal hole that was Earth facing. We're looking for about 500 to 550 kilometers per second. Now, the ongoing plasma has been hitting the planet for numerous hours. They've only given it a KP5 for 3 hours. I have no idea why. The European Space Agency nailed it and said we were going to get hit by about 45 centimeters of plasma squared. And they absolutely were right on, but they got the solar winds completely off, as they always do. What comes with a solar storm impact? Earthquakes. Look at the earthquakes around the globe. We have two 6.2s that have just hit. This is a 6.2, 38 kilometers northeast of Los Palos, Timor-Leste, at 49 kilometers. And basically, obviously, this is going to be on a plate boundary. These are plates that are all still trying to connect here. And of course, this is a volcanic ridge. Also, I refer to this area as Indonesia, the whole area. But they're going to actually call it Timor-Leste, which is great. A 6.2 hit. What else happened? Well, we had another 6.2 hit, the Southern East Pacific Rise. Wouldn't you know it? Now, this is not over. This is just beginning. As you can see, there are earthquakes around the globe, and we're looking at the USGS. All right, a 6.2, 10 kilometers of depth, which means they don't know how deep it was. The Southern East Pacific Rise, right on a what? Plate boundary. That's right. The plates are moving, ladies and gentlemen. All right. I guess we'll start over here. I could turn on all the volcanoes, but these are both on volcanic ridges. This one's actually on top of what looks like an active volcano, or just about on top of it. Remember, I told you all these plates that don't meet are working their way together. A very dangerous part of the world because of that. What do we have here? We've got a 6.2, some call it a 6.3. It looks like the Europeans and the Germans and the Italians. So we might have to go for a 6.3 here. Let's get some additional information. So here we have the strong 6.2 that hit over south of Indonesia, north of Australia. And let's see how strong this bad boy was. These are not huge quakes. Magnitude 6.2. They've changed this up quite a bit. 1.9 atomic bombs of energy released. And like I said, many of the agencies came in at a 6.3. No one came in below a 6.2. It looks like the majority of the agencies, well, it looks like it's split down the middle between a 6.2 and a 6.3. With the USGS always getting the nod, and the modeling agencies always using their information. As for the other earthquake, a 6.2 down here, the South Pacific Ocean, 1.9 atomic bombs worth of energy as well. You can see that it is on a plate boundary. That is the plate itself. Taking a look at the different agencies, the USGS came in at 6.2. The only person that didn't were the Germans at a 6.1. So we'll go with a 6.2 there. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, heavy solar plasma and solar winds striking the planet, not an initial flare, causes earthquake activity. And that's exactly what we're seeing here with 5.5 in Peru. That's 6.2 in the East Pacific Rise, and then more recently the 6.2 over in Timor-Leste. God bless you and yours, folks. Please share. Please be prepared for a large earthquake if you're anywhere in the eastern part of North America. That includes Canada and really anywhere east of Denver, Colorado. God bless you and yours. Please share. Please subscribe. Always remember.